Racing just started. We have Aloha break quickly restart. Dumadagundong in second, moving up na Waria side is Dragon May Promise. Comes next, most unbelievable. Then next on lines with Julian Sexy Eyes. Loretta Atoy for us, while Adhikain is the arbitrator by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Aloha by about 2 lengths, and in second is Dumadagundong. Most unbelievable is down on the inside third. Promise comes next, running by the release with Julian, Dragon May, Sexy Eyes, Loretta, Adhikain, while Atoy for us. Now racing in lengths back to the leader. We have Aloha maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Dumadagundong, most unbelievable, Sweet Julian, Promise comes next, then followed by Dragon May, Sexy Eyes, Adhikain, Loretta, while Atoy for us still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Promise now takes command by a length and a half. Sweet Julian in second, Dumadagundong as they swing for home. Promise by a length and a half. Sweet Julian, Sexy Eyes, Dumadagundong in the middle. Last 100 meters, Promise now by about 3 lengths over Sexy Eyes, Sweet Julian, and finally Promise, Sweet Julian, Sexy Eyes, Dumadagundong, Aloha, then comes most unbelievable.
Promise 59843.